Okay, here's a cool effect that can involve up to 3 spectators if you would like. Okay, so let's go ahead and just shuffle the cards so that no one knows where anything is here. So maybe we'll give it three shuffles. I think that should be plenty, don't you? Okay, maybe one more. There we go. Okay, I think that's a good number. So what we're going to do is we're going to Klondike pairs of cards for each spectator. Okay, so pairs of cards. In fact, we're going to give them a total of 8 cards each. That's what we'll do. Okay, very good. Okay, and we can square those up like so. There we go. Very good. Now, so this is spectator 1, 2, 3. So spectator 1 is free to remove up to 4 of the cards. We need at least 4 to do something interesting here. So maybe, why don't we say spectator 1 removes just the top card, 1 card, okay? Let's see, what about spectator 2? I guess for simplicity, why don't we have them, spectator throw away 2, and then spectator 3, why not 3? Toss out 3, that's just fine. Okay, so essentially we have 7, 6, 5 cards. Okay, very good. Okay, why don't we move spectator 2 and 3's cards up a little further so we have more room to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm essentially going to perform the same actions on all 3 of these. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the top card to the bottom 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I'm going to perform a classic, famous, powerful, mystical shuffle. It's called the down under. So this is how it works. Down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one survives that process. We call it the lone survivor. Okay, for spectator 2, same steps here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the down under. A down, under, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one on top there for his lone survivor card. Same thing here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. And then let's see, down, under, down, under, down, under, down. Last one is the lone survivor. Okay, so for the first time, spectator 1, would you like to turn over your card? And maybe before you turn them over, I'll share a secret with you. Your card will either win for you a brand new blue deck of 52 cards, or a brand new red deck of 52 cards, or no deck whatsoever. So let's see how you did. Did you win either the red or the blue? What is going on here? Oh, wait a second. So you are the winner of the blue deck of cards today. Okay, what about spectator 2? Did he win anything? Oh, wow, you won the red deck. Excellent work. How did you do that? Oh, now wait a second. We said we had a blue and a red deck to win. So what did spectator 3 win? A whole lot of nothing, it looks like. Oh boy, so sorry about that. Okay, so this is a fun effect where you can vary what the lone surviving cards are. These 3 cards at the end can be whatever you like them to be. Okay, so I just thought of this narrative minutes before recording. So let me quickly show you this. It's very easy to do. It's based on some well-known mathematical principles. Okay, so there's really nothing original here except maybe the handling, possibly. So, okay, so where did I start? Well, I started with that one on the bottom, this one next, and then that one last. Nope, backwards. Okay, so you'll see why I reversed them. Okay, so let me just show you again. So blue at the very bottom, red, and then blank. Okay. So I had the deck spread, and then I did give it 3 riffle shuffles. Well, the key here is just make sure that you retain the bottom 3 cards. Okay, and to retain 3 cards at the bottom is not too difficult. If you get to like 5, 6, and above, it gets kind of tricky. Okay, it means you might miss it. Okay, so here we have the blue, red, and blank. So we're safe. Now, do you remember what I did next? Well, from this point, you just do exactly what I did. Okay, so you Klondike pairs to the table, and of course, we already have our special card there, there, and there. And then you Klondike additional ones until you get to 8. And then I don't want to redo all of the steps because you can just follow the steps that I've shown you already. So suppose there's 8 in each. Spectators are allowed to remove up to 4 cards if they would like. It really is a free choice. And then after that, just perform that little procedure of moving the top card to the bottom. Do that 8 times. And then perform the down under shuffle, and the lone survivor will always be the bottommost card. And if you think about it, that should be quite surprising, because these packets before the down under could and probably do have a different number of cards in them. So it really is quite surprising for anyone who has not seen an effect similar to this one. So I thought I'd share this with you. It's kind of a fun one. And like I said, you can have these revelation cards be whatever you like. You could have Ace of Hearts, 2 of Hearts, 3 of Hearts, or cards that are special to the spectator. In fact, even if you had like 3 blank cards, you could actually write down maybe the names of the spectators. I mean, that would be pretty amazing as well. So anyway, thank you for watching, and take a look at other videos on the Absolute Math Magic channel.